And so at one point, the guide talks about why sexuality has been repressed throughout a large number of civilizations for a large number of centuries. And what he says is that the reason sexuality is repressed, two reasons. Number one, it's so strong. You need to do something with it because otherwise it'll just bowl you over. So it's easier to nuance it and to control it and try to build a container for it than to simply let it out and not have any control at all over it. But the other aspect of why sexuality has been repressed or contained throughout the years is that sexuality not only allows us to exercise our being and reach out for fusion and access the deeper, finer parts of us, sexuality is also going to uncover and bring forward the parts of us that are negative and undeveloped. So a simplistic answer to an activity that brings forward a lot of negativity is to shut it down. Instead of realizing that the negativities that are emerging are things that we need to work with. So the guide describes earlier forms of civilization as we had to restrain the sexual impulse, we had to restrain the negativities that could come up with that in order to develop spirit. And he says that because we have an opportunity now, because spirit has been so strongly developed, one of our next steps as a civilization, as a species, is to open up our sexuality and allow it to move forward more freely with less containment, because we have the spiritual ability, we have the knowledge, we have the insight to be able to deal with the negativities that will flush forward. So again, think of it like plumbing, that when you open the floodgates, you're going to get a lot of silt and a lot of debris and a lot of stuff that has come down the river, a lot of flotsam and jetsam, that's going to also come out with that. If you critique the quality of the water and say, we don't like that, it's full of junk, dam it up, you will reduce the amount of junk, the amount of negativity. But you have also dammed up the flow. What the guide is indicating is that at some point in civilization we may have felt that we had to do that. And like many other things in human life, once you've shut something off, you may believe, for good reason, we shut this down because so much negativity was coming through. And we forget, when we have reached a plateau of understanding and civilization and spirituality, that it may be time to open these floodgates again. To let the energy move, to let it move freely, because we can now deal with what it's going to bring forward for us. So I'm going to change over the tape right now and take a break.